Woohoo! 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 Hey! Hey. Woohoo! 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 Big swell here. Smooth sea state with a big swell. This is how it looks. Dolphins, dolphins, look at them! So many! Dolphins, dolphins! Ha, ha. Woohoo! 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 What a performance! A beautiful but frustrating ending of the day, or a frustrating but beautiful ending of the day. We're now heading towards an anchorage here off Finisterre, around 40 miles from Finisterre. Because we couldn't get any wind all day today, we've been motoring for the past 24 hours, non-stop motoring. And now we're heading to this anchorage. We have another half an hour of daylight. Lots of rocks here in the sea, and we just have to trust that the avionics chart is correct, because a lot of those rocks are underwater, so it's very tense, very, very tense. And the anchorage is over there. We've got another 2 miles to go to get there. The whole place is layered with rocks. So yeah, it's very beautiful. That's all we're getting from this adventure so far. We're getting lots and lots of beauty, and everything else is difficult hour by hour. Ensenada de San Francisco is the name of the anchorage, and I will show in the next video what it looks like.